Hello and welcome to Kiddos Corral. Today I'm going to be spring cleaning my living room and it needs it really badly. Got a lot of sunlight coming in from the windows and I'm loving it, but it is chilly. I still have my heat on in the house and I'm wearing a hoodie today because I am so cold. But you can see Snowball is determined to stay here where she's at. Hi, Snowball! But today I'm going to strip this couch and wash all of these couch cushions. I have no pride, obviously, and I'll show you guys how bad it is. But all these throws need to be washed. But can you see how dirty that is? And then underneath her, I don't even know if you can see it, but Snowball, you're gonna have to move. You got to move. To move. It's really filthy. So I want to take all of these cushions off of here and get this washed. That's why I love this IKEA couch, because it is nothing to wash. Of course it takes a little elbow grease to strip your couch, you know, and take all the covers off of it. But what I like to spray my couch with is this OxyClean. It really, if you have any kind of soils or stains or anything like that on the couch, it really does do the Okay, sorry about that. My camera went dead, so I had to put you guys on a tripod and plug it up. I didn't realize that the battery was ran that far down, but I'm going to go ahead and start stripping this couch. And I really hate doing these cleaning videos because I feel like majority of the time you get to look at my butt the whole time I'm cleaning. And this camera makes everything bigger than it is. And the last thing you want people to think you have is a big butt. But hey, you know what? You guys enjoy these cleaning videos, so I'm going to give it to you anyway. So. Couch and clean the window and clean anything out from underneath the And I got good and clean in behind and cleaned the window, and now I'm just going to wait for the washing machine to get the dryer and the washing machine to get done so I can get these put in. Okay, I just got the large cover done on my couch, and the cushion covers are actually in the washing machine right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mop all in front of my couch, and I'm going to clean all the end tables and the hope chest. Clean the fireplace down. It needs to be dusted, and then there's those little Volta candle things on my screen. I'm going to take those off, and I just run those through the dishwasher. Got the cushions on, the covers on, and it's satisfying when you get it done, but it is a lot of work to try to maneuver and put those on. And with my back being the way it is, it's better for me to sit in a chair because you can actually hold the pillow next to your body and pull the cases up over. It's a lot easier than standing up trying to do it. So the last couple I sat down and did, but it is done. It smells good, it's clean, and that makes me super happy. Decided to go ahead and do the second couch, and now I've already swept behind the couch, so I just want to give this a good mop. There wasn't anything under this one. I move my couches quite frequently and clean under them, so there isn't a whole lot, but it's good to get back here and mop and make sure everything is done.